Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea, and today's video I'm going to talk about some new products that I've received. They're not necessarily new on the market, not all of them. I'm going to be talking about the new cream blush and cream bronzer from Fenty as well. Those are the two products that I was so excited to try because I thought I can't just show a product on my hand and talk about it. I have to apply it and do some swatches for you. This is the look that I came out with after trying all of the products. Here's the thing, I always ask people to subscribe to my channel, but it's kind of stupid. You just heard me talk for like, what, 15 seconds? Watch some other videos of mine. I pretty much talk about makeup 98% of the time, techniques, and how to take each and every one of your products and be able to get the maximum out of it. This is what you find on this channel. Now, if this is what you want, then go ahead and subscribe. Now let's get into the video. All right, I'm gonna start with the Shiseido Synchros Skin Glow Foundation. This has SPF 20 and I'm using the color Golden 4. This is very dewy foundation, very lightweight, feels like nothing on the skin. Great if you have dry skin, dehydrated skin, mature skin. But the foundation, it's not the focus. I'm using a Sephora brush. Sephora in collaboration with Makeup by Mario. Alright, you could tell the level of hydration and dewiness and the finish of this foundation, also thanks to the lights. When I touch the skin, it feels hydrated, still feels wet. So this foundation, I cannot say, it sets like this one. This has a demi-matte finish, much more suitable for oily or combination skin. All right, so far nothing new, right? Let's move on with the Pat McGrath Sublime, because I used to say Sublime and someone said it's like lime. So Sublime Perfecting Concealer from Pat McGrath. I don't know if you guys saw, I've partnered with Pat McGrath in one of my videos. In the video, I tried to like be cool about the fact that, they partner with me as if, I do this all the time. But guys, I was so incredibly happy. I'm like beyond happy that I got to partner with a brand that I love so much. I wanted you to know that deep inside when I filmed that video, I wanted to like scream out of happiness. This is a great product if you have darkness, if you have melasma, whatever you want to hide, this will hide it for you. So I'm using the color Light Medium 10. You have to use a tiny little bit. The Pat McGrath brush is actually really good. However, I don't have it clean. So I'm going to use this Morphe M173 brush. Get closer, get closer. Check this out. Here's the thing, you have to make sure you spread it really, really well. I suggest you to use this with a brush. This comes in a bunch of colors. 36 if I'm not mistaken. Look at this. Look at this. We're going to move on with the next product because I'm done with concealer. I feel concealed. Star of the show will be the Creme Bronzer from Fenty Beauty. I have recently received this and I showed you guys how it works, all the colors, everything on my Insta story. You could follow me in there if you want. I'd be very happy. This has a very, very interesting texture. I actually looked on their page and they say, oh, this is not oily at all. Like, dude, what are you talking about? It's not oily, but it's super, super hydrating. It has like a sheen to it. This comes in 7 different shades. It retails with $32 at Sephora.com. The colors are pretty good. If you are wondering, my color is Honey Glaze, this one right here. But I'm going to swatch them all right after the application. So let's apply this so you can see exactly what it looks like on the skin. Get me closer. Okay, I'm using their brush, the 125 brush from Fenty. Took some product on the brush. I will apply this where the sun naturally hits my face. The forehead, the cheeks. Now, what you will notice about this product, it's just my opinion, okay? Being so hydrating. If you're using a medium or a full coverage foundation, there is a possibility for this product to kind of melt. Have you ever used a cream product on top of a foundation and it simply just grabbed the foundation and you start to see the skin underneath? It could happen with this. It depends on the foundation that you're using and the application. This is a fantastic product. I mean, you could see how beautiful it looks. My foundation was this one that's very hydrating as well, and it's also not a full coverage foundation. This is great, but try to use this with a hydrating foundation, or try to use this first on bare skin. This is fantastic. I'm just trying to give you all the details for you to understand what to expect when getting this product, if getting this product, and how to use it so that you get the maximum results from it. This is what this bronzer looks like on my skin. As you can see, it's very dewy. If I touch it, it's not greasy. I have to tell you, it is not greasy when I touch it, but it's also not matte. It's not sticky, which I like. Who would love this product? I think people who have dry, dehydrated combination skin and also mature skin. I think mature skin would also love this. I am going to show you every single one of these colors. Please note that I do have a self tan on. The first color is One Amber. This looks more like a contour shade than a bronzer. This is number 2, Buta Biscuit. This is number 3, Macchiato. This is number 4, Honey Glaze. It's actually the color that I've applied on my skin. I've applied quite a lot, but they're very sheer once you spread them. This is number 5, Teddy. You can see it's starting to have more and more richness. This is number 6, Chocolate. This is pretty intense. And this is the last one, 7, Toffee Tease. And there we have the 7 cream bronzers from Fenty. I talked about Fenty bronzer. I could not talk about their new cream blushes. They're like candy for the colors. I'm gonna open them for you. There are 10 colors and they retail at only $20. I shouldn't have said only. $20 is a lot. I love the packaging. I mean, you see the smile? And of course, we're gonna swatch them all. Look at these colors. Look at this one. They're not great just for the cheeks, but you could also apply them on the lips. They have the exact same consistency, if you ask me, as the cream bronzer. My favorite color is Petal Poppin'. This is a beautiful, soft baby pink. Check this out. Aww, it's so pretty, right? I took the product with this Kat Von D Lock-It powder brush, and I am slowly applying this on my cheeks. Again, a product that you could apply after foundation or before foundation because it's so beautiful on bare skin as well. I always like to do like a quick swipe on the eyelids and then on the center of the nose. This is the first one, Fuego Flush. This has a little shimmer to it. This is Petal Poppin', number 2, and my personal favorite. This is number 3, Bikini Martini. This is number 4, Crush on Cupid. Number 5, Strawberry Drip. This is Daiquiri Dip. I had no idea what this name was, so I had to look up. It's a cocktail. That shows how much of a drinker I am. Oh, so beautiful. This is Drama Class. Summertime Wine. I mean, they could have just simply called it Sangria. This is in Cool Berry. This is in Rose Latte. I'm applying quite a lot so you could see exactly the pigment. When it comes to the eye, I have to be honest with you, I don't have a lot of new products that recently launched. However, I've just received this Instant Glow in a palette. This is a palette from Charlotte Tilbury, and it really has it all. You've got a bronzer, you've got a blush, you've got a highlighter and another highlighter in here, and then you've got 3 beautiful eyeshadows. It's really a complete palette if you like these colors and if they're suitable for you. I can really see this as being a great on-the-go kind of a palette. All right, now this palette is available in 2 colors. I've got the Gorgeous Glowing Beauty with these colors. The other one is Stoned Rose Beauty, which I do not have. And these are limited edition. You can only find them on the Charlotte Tilbury website. I'm gonna start with the lightest color, this one. Gonna grab this color and apply it in the inner corner. It's gonna be a super easy look. Now I'm gonna take this color right here with the Refer 14 brush. I apply this in the crease, on the lower lash line, you know, hugging the eye. I always say this, with a matte darker color, you wanna hug the eye. And you see I'm doing like little circles. Now I'm gonna take this color in the middle, on the middle of my eyelid. The colors are so pretty. I'm taking a clean blending brush just to fuse the edges. This is a Refer 16 brush. Sort of a new product is this pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. This has a matte side and a metallic side. So this one right here is the matte side. And then this is the metallic. I'm gonna take the matte side, get it really, really close to the lashes. And I'm not gonna do a wing, nothing like that. I think that's what's giving the look a more like a daytime look. And I'm gonna take the third color right here, the darkest one, 226 brush from Zoeva. I'm gonna go over the pencil. And this is going to make the pencil last much longer. It's not gonna smudge. And it's also going to give it a very soft look. Let's apply some mascara to complete the eye makeup. Now, for some people, applying this matte side of the pencil on the lower lash line and also at the base of the lashes would make, wait, let me cover this, would make the eye look so pretty. I've got very, very small eyes, and as you can see, as soon as I apply something dark at the lower lash line, it just closes my eye. It's a look. It doesn't mean this is better or this is better. It's just a look. I prefer it without it for an everyday. However, I do this kind of a look. It's such a simple look, like a basic beginner friendly look, that I feel like I need something. So I'm gonna get this on the lower lash line. The fact that it's not black, it helps so much not to get the look too harsh. Mascara on the lower lash line. I think that the simple trick of applying a muted color on the waterline and at the base of the lashes, it gives a little zhuzh to the whole look. I'm very hot right now, so I feel very warm, and my skin is showing that. So we're going to powder a little bit. I'm going to check what the concealer is like, making sure nothing creased. I'll take the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish powder, Morphe Y14 brush, or just any fluffy small brush would work. And I'm setting this area. I don't want to powder right here. I really like this area. And it can you see that it makes my cheeks, also because of the lights, guys, the light can make everything look better. And I've got lights from everywhere, so it makes my cheeks a little bit like rounder. Now for the lips, I've received some new products from Lila B. Lila B is a clean brand that you can find in Sephora. They have beautiful blushes that I kept on talking about it on my channel. These are the 3 colors that I've recently received, and I'm gonna try them all on my lips because it's just 3. The first color is Be Bold. Not sticky at all. It's not the crazy shine of a lip gloss, but it's also not just that shine that usually lip balms have. It's somewhere in between, very hydrating, and I love the color. It's like a tint of color, sort of imitate the natural color of the lip. Next one is Be Sincere. Now this is more of a cool tone pink on me, on my lips, has like a mauvey tint to it. It's not exactly my favorite color, but if you're blonde with light or fair skin and you have neutral or cool undertone, this would look really pretty on you. The last color and my favorite is Be Brilliant. This has a beautiful peach, definitely warm tone, the kind of color I feel very comfortable with. It's also very like J-Lo kind of lipstick. The last product I want to talk about is this Becca Ignite. It's not completely new on my channel. You have seen me using this before, but it's somehow new in Sephora. And it's a liquid highlighter that you can apply on the face and on the body. This comes in different colors. The one that I use mostly is Passion, which is this one right here. And you could apply this with your fingers, you could apply it with a brush. I'm going to use this Makeup Forever 108 brush. Not that I need any more highlighter because the skin, it's already kind of have a beautiful shine right now. I'm going to be very gentle with this product because I don't want to grab the foundation underneath. This is the kind of highlighter that will not set, so it will always remain kind of dewy and wet and creamy. Alright guys, this is the final look created with, well, mostly new products. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys purchased anything during the Sephora spring sale. Let me know if you have any questions about product application, any concern that you have about makeup. I would love to help you out. If you like this kind of content, please hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!